Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to sign in to Minecraft Pocket Edition. To do this, first open the game on your device, then you will see the sign in button here. Tap on it. Now tap on sign in. Now Minecraft will ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you already have an Microsoft account, then log in. Now tap on Let's Go to finish your account. And that's it. I have successfully signed in to Minecraft Pocket Edition. And if you don't know how to create a Microsoft account, don't worry, just drop a comment. I will help you.